to 24, 25, 26, 28. Okay, 14 to over here because it's 24, right? Okay, so page 33. Page 33 is homework, okay? So write down this one. Page 33 is homework. So we're going into 25, but we work together, okay? 25. Because this is a little different problems, okay? Perimeter problems. Okay, we're gonna try, okay, odd number. So even number is your homework, okay? So we're gonna try odd number together. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 feet. The length is 2 more than 5. Okay. Length is 2 more than 5 times width. This is rectangles. This is width. You can use the W or with the X. And the length is L. This is what? 2 more than 5 times width. We let the variable X to the what? Width. So length will be 5 times 5x plus 2. You can define these two, width and length. The perimeter is 40. What is the perimeter? 2 times L plus 2 times W equals, that is the perimeter, right? Because the opposite also same length. Okay, now substitute there. L is what? 5x plus 2. 2 times L is 5x plus 2. And 2 times W is x. That is 2x equals to 40. So that is 10x plus 4. Another 2x equals to 40. We have 2 like terms there. That is 12x. Add minus 4. Minus 4 is going to be 36. Okay, after that, divide these numbers, x equals 3. But we are not done. Okay, we're gonna say its dimensions. Width is how much? Width is 3, length equals to 5 times 3, right? Okay, 15 plus 2 is what? 17 is the answer, okay? Yeah, that's okay. Number 26 is your homework. Write down there, okay? Have some practice. The best way, okay, to be number 1 in your school or in the New York or in this United States, always more practice, okay? 100% understanding the practice, you're gonna be number 1. Right, nationwide, you can do that. Because what? One of my students, she's a girl, she graduated Jericho High School. She just graduated MIT. She emailed to me. She and her family is so happy because she got a good job. Okay, so good score give a lot of good chance. Okay, she offered the first is more than, it's a lot of money, first salary. Okay, it's much more than some other regular school graduates. Okay, so the company offered to continue her study in England too. They paid everything. They provide apartment. Okay, they provide everything. So she really okay are happy. Okay, so just like right here, you need to study. Okay, alright, very good. That's a great news. Okay, that was a great news. Now we're gonna do number 28. The base of an isosceles triangle and one of its leg has a length. Oh, I'm sorry. Number 26 homework. We're gonna do number 27 together, okay? Number 28 is homework. 29 is a 3 homework, okay? So we're gonna try number 27 together. You know what is isosceles, right? Isosceles what two, this we said the name of this side is the leg because they are equal, right? Yeah, this is the base. This angle is we said the vertex. I'm sorry, not vertex. Vertex angle. These two angles are base angle, okay? Anyway, this is the isosceles, two sides congruent. Okay, the length of base. This is the base. 10 less than twice the length of one of each leg. This is the leg, okay? The leg equals to x. Base is how much? 2 times x, and but less than 10, right? Minus 10. We define this way. The perimeter of triangle is 50. We have 2 legs there. Here is x, another x over here. So x plus, okay, x plus times x plus base is 2x minus 10. That is perimeter of that triangle, which is equals to 50, isn't it? It's not hard, okay? This is 4x plus 10 equals to 60. X equals to 15, isn't it? Find the length of the base, okay? Base is 2x minus 10. This is leg. Okay, leg is 15. The base is 2 times. Okay, 2 times 15 and minus 10, right? So which is 20 is the answer. Okay. Okay, about this triangle and rectangle. Okay, so you can do that, right? The perimeter problem. So number 28 is your homework. Number 30 is your homework. Okay. Oh, it's there already, okay. Take time. Very good. Yes, that's right. The next one, new topics. The word problem involving the ratios. Okay, this is what to define some numbers with the ratio. Okay, it's very important, okay, because of here. The perimeter of a triangle is 84. Okay, but this is, let me see. Oh, this is perfect, okay. But three side the ratio has what, 3, 4, 5, okay. For example, if you triangle, this 3, 4, 5 actually right triangle, okay. But right triangle, if this leg is 4, 3, the other side is 4, the other hypotenuse will be 5, okay? Because what 3 square plus 4 square equals to exactly 5 square, okay? The triangle which has a ratio of this one, 3, 4, 5, it is right triangle anyway. But using this ratio, you can decide, because this is a ratio unit, that is not actual dimensions, okay? This is a unit ratio, okay? The one unit, how much we don't know. That's why using this one, we can define this side is, you can use any variable, 3x. Generally, this is a 4x. This is a 5x. You can let the right each length with in terms of x. This is now actual length. But it depends on the value of x, okay? We need to find the value of x. So using this one, perimeter is 80. You cannot add only 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is not equals to 80. Okay, definitely it's not true. But actual length, we let this way, 3x, 4x, 5x, it's fine. This is what actual dimension. It depends on the value of x. Yeah, total is what, 80. This is not 84, right? 80. Oops. This is 84 is correct. But this is wrong, right? This is 84. Okay, yeah, correct this one, okay? Total is 84. Now we can find the value of x. 3x, 4x, 5x is 12x and equals to 84. When you divide by x, x equals 7, right? Because x is 7 over here. So 3x equals how much? 3 times 7 is 21. 4x is what? 4 times 7 is 28. 5x is what? 5 times 7 is 35. That is the dimensions of this three sides. Okay? 21, 28, and 35 is the answer. Okay? When the ratio is given, just put some variable to express what? Actual length. Two numbers in the ratio is 5 to 7. That's the ratio unit. But their sum is 360. So you can define two numbers. One is 5x and the other number is 7x. That's it. Okay? The sum is 360. When you add these two numbers will be equals to 360. So finish. And divided by 12. X equals 30, right? Using this 30, now you can define two numbers. One is 5x. 5 times 30 equals to what? 150. The other one is about 7x. 7 times 30 equals what? 210. Okay? So that's the two numbers. 150 and 210. Okay? When ratio be given, just you can put some variable to express what? Actual length. These numbers are in the ratio of 4, 5, 6. The larger numbers is multiplied by 3. The larger number is that they want to use actual length. 4, 5, 6 is what? So each number is 4x, and the next one is 5x. The next number is 6x. Okay, this is the largest number. That's right, 6 times. Okay, largest number is multiplied by 3, so times 3 is 6x. This result is equals 36 more than sum of the first and second number. Sum of the first and second number how much? 4x and plus 5x, that is the sum of two numbers, but 36 more, they are equals. That's the equations. So we're going to find the numbers, right? 4x, 5x, or 6x. Okay, and we need the value of x. This one is 18x. This like terms is 9x and plus 36. 9x is what? 9x. That's right. And equals to 36. Isolation, okay? Always the linear is the isolation, variable terms and constant terms separated, okay? After that, you can divide it by 9. X equals 4, right? But we are not done. We're going to find these three numbers. The first number is 4 times 4 is what? 16. Second number, 5 times 4 is what? 20. Third number, 6 times 4 is what? 24. That's all three numbers. You have to answer this way. It's okay. The number 3, two complementary angles. You know what does that means? That's right. Yeah, add up to 90. Angle 1, angle B equals to 90. These two angles are complementary angles. Okay, so actually in diagram, is actually 90. One of the angle is over here, the other angle the other side. But their sum of this one equals to 90, right? So A is a complementary angle of angle B, or B is a complementary of angle A, or you can say angle A and B are complementary angles. 3 to 7. I'm gonna think angle A is 3x, angle B is what? 7x, because what? Ratio is given. Sum of these two angles is 90 degree. 3x, 7x equals to 90. 10x equals 90. X equals 9. But we are not done. We're going to find what the measure which angles. Angle A is 3x. 3 times 9, right? 3x is what? 3 times 9 equals to 27. 7x. We don't need the parentheses. 7x is what? 7 times 9 is what? 63, okay? Two angles is what? 27 and 63. It's okay? Yeah, you can see that some of these two angles is 90. Two numbers are in the ratio. So one number is 3. I'm going to use 3k. And this I'm using different letter 8k. We define these two numbers using k because only ratio is given. Okay. So 9 subtracted from their sum is 11k. 9 subtracted. The result is 90. What are the larger number? Which one is the larger number? This is the larger number. This is a smaller number, right? So plus 9 plus 9, 11k equals 199, isn't it? Then divided by 11, you get the value of k equals 9, okay? So we're going to find the larger number. This is larger numbers. So 8 times 9 is the larger number, which is 72. It's okay? Okay, we have a homework over here too, but we're gonna do classwork together anyway. But this time I want you to try number 5 by yourself. Okay, and find the numbers. Difference is what? Large number minus smaller number is the difference, okay? Always. Excellent. Very good. 7x plus 5x or 7k plus 5k or you can use any letter, okay? But this time is what? Difference. So you're gonna find 7k minus 5k is 12, k equals 6. Alright? So this is 7k is what is 42, 5k is 30, okay? There are two numbers. You want to try number 6 again? Okay, go ahead. That's right. Excellent. Okay. 1 is 3x. I'm going to do x plus 5x total equals 32. X equals 4, right? Yeah, this is 3x, 12, 5x is 20 is the answer, okay? Very good. Number 7. Oh, we did already complementary, but this time it's just supplementary. What is supplementary? Out of 80, this is the line over here. We have two angles on this line. This angle A, angle B, okay? Angle A and B are supplementary, okay? And also sometimes we say angle A and angle B linear pair. Linear pair, okay? Linear pair means two angles stand on straight line. Okay? Alright, so A and B is supplementary anyway. Can you find each angles? What did they answer? Excellent. 80 and 100. Okay? Oh, sure, yeah, go ahead. You're welcome. Okay, back to work number 8. You want to try number 8? Okay, go ahead. That's right. X value is what? 30, x equal 30, 60. We know that, right? All sum of all these 4 is what? So x equals 12. So 4x equals width is what? 48. Length is 132, right? Okay, number 9. Okay, number 9 we work together, okay? Perimeter triangle. 3, 4, 5. Still, this is kind of right triangles. So this is a 3x, 4x, 5x anyway. Sum of all, this one is what? 12x. That is equals to 48. X equals 4, right? Okay. The length of this one is, this is 12. Second one is 4 times 4 is 16. And 5 times 4 is 20. Okay? That's it. Now this is yours. Try this one by yourself. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, two numbers, 3x and 5x. Again, 9 added up to their sum, the result is 41. That's the equation, right? 8x equals to 32, x equals to 4, right? Very good. That is 12 and 20 is the answer, okay? Yeah, this is your homework. Okay, that is not much, right? Practice, it's okay, right? Okay, only 5 questions. Page 37 is your homework. Okay, last time homework, okay, your homework, it was really great. Okay, that is not easy questions, but you made all correct. Okay, excellent job. Okay, that is lesson 6, ratio and rate. Okay, the ratio is a comparison to whole numbers in the same unit. It's gonna be two whole numbers. There are no decimals, no fractions, just a whole number. This is a whole number. You know the whole number, right? From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just we said positive integers, but including 0 anyway. So there are 3 different ways. 5/2 in fraction still that represent ratio. This is right, the regular ratio. 5 to 2, or you can use the 2 that use the word. Okay, doesn't matter. So do not write the unit because the ratio is what is it? Must be same unit. It is okay. Ratio should be same unit. So 20 inches, 30 feet is not 20 to the 3. That is wrong. Okay? But you have to change the same unit up here when you cancel out the normal unit in there, right? This is the ratio. But rate is different. Rate is different. Okay? but rate is different. Rate different is what? Comparison of a number to one different unit. That is we set rate. Rate need what? Unit. 600 miles, 10 hours. Miles, 10 hour, totally different unit. We cannot cancel out. Okay? How many miles is 1 hour? We don't know. It's impossible. Okay? Hour, distance, there's no relationship. That means what? When you simplify this one, 600 divided by 10, that is 50. Still, we have, right, the unit, right? Miles per hour. This is we set rate. Usually, rate means what? Unit rate. This number is a unit rate. Unit rate is for the 1 hour per 1 unit of these numbers. Is it okay? This is also rate. This is rate. When you simplify, that's gonna be equal to 60. This 60 is set unit rate. This one is for the 1 hour, okay? That's why unit rate. But still, this was still rate, okay? You know, distance is the speed times, okay? The rate, speed is the rate. And times t, that is distance. So the next one is average speed. Average speed is what? Total travel distance. We don't know what happened between over here. What happened? Sometimes they stayed in some minutes on service center and start again. This is New York. This is the Boston. This is the time. This is distance. It doesn't matter. Average is what is that? Just the total distance over total time looks like, right, the rate of this line. Okay, this is what you set for the negative average, because every times, okay, average is different, right? The rate is different, okay, but average we use this way. Okay, total travel distance over total time, that is the average speed or average rate of change. But today's we only what we're gonna do average speed. Okay. Okay, just we are only 2 questions. Okay, so the homework is not given on this one. Okay, what is speed in miles per hour? A car traveled what 300 miles in 5 hours. Okay, in 5 hours, we don't care. Sometimes they are fast, drive up faster. Sometimes it's slow. It doesn't matter. Okay, just what total difference. Total distance is 300 miles. That's right. And the 5 hours. This one is what? Rate. Okay? But when you divide by 5, that is speed. And speed is for 1 hour, right? Travel distance. So 300 divided by 5 is what? 60 miles per hour. Or just in our simple form, it is what? 60 miles per hour, mph. You can use, right, this symbol. Okay. Number 2, Peter ran 100 meters in 15 seconds. What is his speed in meters per hour? This times hour. This one is what? 100 meters in 15 seconds. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do this one later, but I'm gonna finish this one, okay? Because 1 hour is what? 3600 seconds, right? Okay. So this is 30 seconds. That is 1 hour. This is, I'm gonna express this one, okay? Converting ratio, okay? 1 hour. This is second out. And now we got the 1 hour, right? So 100 times 360. So 100 times 360, how much? 36,000, right? Meter divided by 15 hour. Okay, that is 1 meter per hour. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna find that this is how much is that? I'm gonna use a calculator. That's okay. 3640 divided by 15 equals how much? 24,000 meters per hour. It's okay? So converting unit, we're gonna explain next time, okay? Alright, you have any questions today, work? Okay, so I'll see you next time, okay? Okay, good job today. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.